I know that you stretch for only 3 seconds, and that's okay. And I also know that you heard from somebody that you should stretch before the exercise in order to prevent injury. And some people might argue that stretching before an exercise might impair your performance. So, which one is true? Hello, folks. Scientific Help with a K here. Should you avoid static stretching in your warm up? And if so, why? We know that stretching is incorporated in a warm up to increase mobility, but static stretching has been shown to decrease the strength needed to perform at your best in the coming exercises. And I'm gonna state the obvious by defining that static stretching means passively holding the stretch for 15 to 30 seconds. That's why it is often preferred to perform dynamic stretching in your warm up. Dynamic stretching means moving a little bit more than holding the position. I'm stretching right now. That's what other studies have investigated. However, most of the static stretching done in these studies was combined with dynamic stretching. We have this study that investigated the effect of static stretching strategies within a dynamic full body warm up routine, including high knees, butt kicks on on athletic performance. Get this pump. The subjects performed either 5-second stretches, 30-second 5 repetition dynamic stretches, or nothing at all within this warm up protocol. And the results showed neither static nor dynamic stretching had any effect on athletic performance variables, including sprinting and jumping. What's interesting, a good percentage of the subjects improved their athletic performance after incorporating some stretching in their warm up routine. We can say that stretching is a good thing for you to increase the blood flow in your muscles, but do not extend it for too long, and that might affect your exercise session later on. And above all, do what you like and what feels great for you. And check out the other videos if you want to.